Hey guys, Chicago injury lawyer Scott DeSalvo here, and in today's video I'm answering a viewer's question, which is, my wife got hit by somebody in a company truck, but it was their private vehicle, but they had a commercial policy on it, meaning they used the vehicle for work purposes. And their question was, is there two insurance policies or just one? In other words, can they sue to get the insurance policy for the commercial insurance as well as the personal insurance for the driver of that truck? So that's an interesting and sort of technical question, usually a little bit more on the lawyer side than the general person side, but I'm happy to explain it to you. Here's how it works. The question comes down to is whether the vehicle was being driven for an individual purpose, in other words, off duty, not doing any work, or was the vehicle being used for a commercial purpose, right? In other words, were they on the clock? Were they going to or from a job or anything like that, right? So as a general rule, commercial insurance has higher limits than individual insurance, but if somebody's driving a nice company truck or a work truck, it's entirely possible that their personal insurance has limits that are just as high as the commercial insurance. Usually you can collect either the personal insurance or the commercial insurance. Usually the commercial insurance has higher limits, so you want to collect the commercial insurance instead of the personal limits. That's not true all the time. But here's another benefit of collecting against the commercial insurance. If the vehicle was being used for a like a business purpose at the time of the crash, then that means the commercial insurance would apply. And a lot of businesses have something called umbrella coverage. Okay, umbrella coverage is for general injury or negligence or injury caused by the business over and above what the commercial auto policy pays. So, for example, it's not uncommon for there to be a commercial policy on a vehicle of 100, 250, 300,000, maybe even half a million. And then it's quite common for businesses to have a 1 million umbrella coverage, okay? Now, does that mean, let's say your person has 100,000 in commercial coverage but $1 million umbrella? Does that mean the total amount of insurance available would be 1.1 million? No. In the state of Illinois, and your mileage may vary, this is going to depend based on the terms of the insurance contract and also your state law. But in the state of Illinois, insurance policies don't stack. So let's say you have very severe injuries that are worth more than 100,000 in that scenario I just gave you. Basically, the way that would work is you would collect the 100, then you'd go after the million. If you collected the million, they get a credit for that first 100,000 you collected. So you'd collect 100,000 for the commercial policy, the policy limits, and then 900,000 from the $1 million umbrella business business umbrella policy. So that's how that would work. Usually you don't collect both the personal policy and the commercial policy, but if you go after the commercial policy, you can sometimes get the umbrella coverage too if they have it. So sort of a technical question. Probably a lot of people haven't thought about it, but I thought it was kind of an interesting question, so I thought I'd shoot a video on it. So thanks for watching. I appreciate your viewership, and for those who have subscribed, I appreciate you. If you haven't subscribed, considering hitting the subscribe button and the bell icon so you get notified when I shoot a new video. If anyone you know has been involved in an accident with an injury or has a question about an injury case, please give me a call. You can call me anytime, night or day, any day of the year at 312-500-4500. Somebody always picks that phone up. It's a free consultation that I offer at 312-500-4500. But what if you're not ready to talk to a lawyer, or you just want some custom information about your situation? Well, I've got you covered. I've got two great tools, links in the description. Both of these tools are free to use right on my website. One is called the Case Cash Calculator, tells you what your case might be worth. The other one is called the Good Case Calculator, tells you whether you might have a good case or you might have a case with some challenges. Again, those are free to use on my website. All you do is answer 7 multiple choice questions off the top of your head. No looking for paperwork. You just answer 7 multiple choice questions off the top of your head. And in less than 20 seconds, you have custom information about your particular injury situation. So check those out, free to use. I'm getting a ton of people giving me positive feedback about those tools. They really enjoy them, appreciate them, so check them out, links below. I've got over 300 injury videos like this one on my YouTube channel, so check out my YouTube channel, and you can search my YouTube channel with your question. You'll probably come up with one of my videos, but if you don't, and you want me to shoot a video for you about your particular question, leave it in the comments section below, and I will probably shoot you a custom video or direct you to a video that already answers your question. So go ahead and give that a shot. What else? What else? Oh, you know what? There's a favor I need to ask of you. If you don't mind doing it, it would help me out a lot, and I'd really appreciate it. I need as many 5-star reviews on Google as I can. Very competitive market in Chicagoland for injury law. So if you wouldn't mind doing it, there's a link in the description. You can just go to that page on your phone, tablet, or computer. Takes you right to the page, click 5 stars, say a kind word, hit submit. You're done in 5 or 10 seconds, but it would really help me out. So if you appreciate the videos, my case cash calculator, settlement calculator, my injury cheat sheet, my book, my CD, my DVD, my over 300 injury videos that I shoot and release for free to make sure injured people don't fall into insurance company traps that beat their cases. If you appreciate this stuff, you think I'm a decent guy, or even better, if you've consulted with me, or you have a case with me, or you had a case with me and you wouldn't mind giving me the review, it would really help me out, okay? Do it if you feel like it. If you don't feel comfortable doing it, don't do it. We're still friends. You can still use all my tools, and we're good, okay? So thanks again for watching. I hope you and the family are well. If there's anything I can do for you, you give me a holler. 312-500-4500. Thanks so much for watching. Have a great day. Bye-bye.